Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Rehab. And today we're going to be dropping a banger today, you know. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean suede the correct way on any shoe. You can use the same method I'm about to show you. You can use this method on any suede shoe. So let's get to this video. So look, check this out. All right, I'm about to ask this famous question everybody asks. And look, y'all, excuse me. You know I'm sweating. Man, it's hot in my shade right now, so I ain't even got my AC on. And yeah, it's hot, so you're gonna be seeing me sweat a little bit. But I'm about to ask this famous question that everybody asks, everybody wanna know. Can suede be clean with water? Yes, it can be clean with water, but to a certain extent. All right. So let's dig into it, right? So I'm gonna show you the shoe we're gonna be doing today. So today we're gonna be doing these Jordan 1 Zooms. All right. As you can see, we got the dirt on it, so I'm gonna show y'all how to take all this out. But the shoe is fairly clean. But I'm gonna use this in my video because it's the only suede I got in here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. But anyway, like I said, to a certain extent, suede can be cleaned with water, right? So number one, you don't want to oversaturate your suede with water, because if you don't know how to properly clean the suede with water, you can damage the suede on your shoes. And look, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you some pictures in this video when I first cleaned suede my first time, or some Georgetowns I did, and they looked at a mess. So I'm gonna show y'all the pictures. But I oversaturated them Georgetowns, man, and it was hard like a brick. You know what I'm saying? So when you get suede shoes wet, do not wait to get the water off. Do not wait to dry it off, because water will damage your suede if you let it set on the shoe, and that's facts. All right. So what you do is, when you get water on your shoe, on your suede, right, do not get a hair dryer, because a hair dryer, blow dryer, anything that's pushing heat, do not get it to dry your suede shoes, because the heat from the hair dryer or whatever you use will make the bristles on this suede shoes get hard, and they're gonna shorten the lifespan on your suede. And when you go to cleaning and brushing these things, guess what? These little hairs on here gonna start falling clean off. Your shoes will be looking like it got alopecia. So I'm gonna give you the best way how to get water on your shoes when you get it wet. So the best way to do, if you got a compressor, use your compressor and blow the water. It's not hot air, it's cool air. Blow the water off and let it dry. Okay? That's the best way to get your suede shoes dry. Is blow it with an air compressor and get it off of there. Don't use no hair dryer, no blow dryer, anything with heat. Do not use it. So let's get to this point. All right. So now, say for instance, I got a deep stain right here, and I'm using my suede eraser. I'm using my crepe brush. I'm trying to get this stain out, but it do not want to come out. All right. So now what I would do is you get you a microfiber towel. Now, I'm not saying this is what everybody do. This is what I do. I get a microfiber towel. I dip it in some not hot water. I dip it in some water, and I spray whatever I'm using onto the towel, and I pet it right here, just right here, and try and get that stain out. I pet it right here. So, and then after you do, and you see that it came out, Now, the next thing you do is don't let that set. Immediately get your compressor and dry it and blow the water out. Now, if you don't have a compressor, get you a microfiber towel, a dry one, and just keep wiping it. Wiping it until it's dry. All right. So that's the best way to do your suede. Never oversaturate your shoes with water, because if you do not know how to properly clean it, you will damage your suede. So now let's get into the cleaning of this video. This is what you're gonna need when you go to the clean suede. All right, you're gonna need a suede eraser, right? A brush, right? And a crepe brush. All right. These the three things I use to get my suede clean. All right. So check this out. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all something. But at the end of this video, I got a secret weapon that I'm gonna show y'all. A secret weapon. So y'all be ready to the end of this video. But so let's get to it. So with this brush, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start knocking the dirt off the shoe, making sure all the dirt is off the shoe. Because when you go to hitting it with the eraser, you don't have no dirt on that shoe. So now you're gonna start hitting the suede with the eraser. But look, let me tell you, man, don't stay in the same spot with that eraser, because you could put a spot in that eraser. You could take the suede off the shoe by hitting the same spot with that eraser. So look, man, let me tell you all this, right? Dry cleaning suede is the best route to go. Dry cleaning. Alright. If you can't get a stain out, then yes, use water just to spot clean the suede, just to get the stain out. But don't oversaturate this shoe with water, because you will damage the suede if you don't know how to properly clean the suede. But this dry method that I'm doing right now is the best way to clean suede shoes. Is the dry method.
Shit, what the fuck I'm supposed to do? Sugar sweet on me, bitch, I drip like honeydew, I gotta move. Yeah, the energy on sang soon, nigga shape shift, but I shape tunes, then I make something new. Shit, what the fuck I'm supposed to do? She hearing what I spit, make her drip like honeydew, I gotta move. Cause the energy on sang soon, nigga shape shift, but I shape tunes, then I make something. Then I make something. Then I make something. I always make something. But I don't play none. Shit, I never play none. I run away from it and try to stay from it. But I'm a new type of nigga today, and that's truly okay. Shit, if you sleeping on yourself, then are you truly awake? But I'm a new type of nigga today, and that's truly okay. Shit, if you sleeping on yourself, then are you truly awake? Willing to take the next step, the next breath, the breath of fresh air, a breath of hard times clouded by failure on top of all the time paraphernalia inside you. Smoking on that good gas, fucking on some good gas. I needed something brand new. I was gonna lose my fucking mind if I ain't find something to do.
So, we got the suede shoe all done, all cleaned up. All right. As you can see, no more dirt. No more. No more. All the way around the shoe, no more. So now look, check this out. Now remember, I said I had a secret weapon. All right. So now I'm about to show y'all the secret weapon. All right. Now, here we go. Boom! That no regrets suede butter. Man, when I tell you, man, this thing worked wonders, bro. Man, it worked wonders. Man, see, when you spray this on your shoe, man, you're going to let this dry. After you spray it, you're going to let it dry. And, man, watch how soft it's going to bring that suede back. Soft, man, that suede swipe going to be looking so good on that thing. Man, bro, man, see the suede butter? I love the suede butter, man. Cause man, it works wonders, man. And if your shoe faded, man, this thing brings the color back into your shoes. It brings the color back into your shoes. So I'm gonna spray it down while I'm right here. So we gonna give this shoe a minute to dry, and I'm gonna be right back to you. So check it out. So now that we put the secret weapon on these things and we got this thing all dry and looking nice, so the next thing I do, I just go in there just to rub it in there. Rub it on in there. I just rub it on there with a little brush. And not to me, I ain't gonna lie, this better than mink oil to me. I like this. This is fire. But yeah, I just make sure it's all brushed in there. Now, so now look, I don't know if y'all can tell, but man, check the suede swipe out in that thing. Man, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but look how that thing suede swipe. See that? Can y'all see that? I had to get me. Look at this on the side. Look at the suede swipe that thing put in the shoe. God. I don't know if y'all can see it too good, but you see that suede swipe in that shoe, boy? Oh yeah, y'all can see it. Oh yeah, y'all can see it. Yeah, man, that suede butter the truth. Soften up your suede, bring a fire suede swipe back. Boy, look at that suede swipe. Boy, look at that. Yeah. But yeah, that's a secret weapon. But that's your video on how to clean suede. And if this video helped y'all, I want y'all to like and comment down at the bottom if this video helped you. Now look, if you want the secret weapon, I'm gonna put a link in the description the way you could go get it. All right, so go ahead on, click that link in the description if you want to purchase the No Regret Suede butter. Go ahead and click that link and go get you about it, man. I'm telling you, man, it's good. And look, I hate to see, I use mink oil before, but mink oil don't smell good to me. Bro, when I tell you this got a fire smell to it, man, look, I ain't gonna even lie, man. I might spray this in these shoes to make the inside smell good. That's how good this thing smell. But yeah, link, I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video. Y'all go get y'all suede butter. It's your boy, Mr. Rehab, and it's my purpose to show you everything that I know. And I'm out. Peace.